Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about setting up the Shopify conversion tracking for some Microsoft ads. So, if you're running paid ads into Microsoft Ads, formerly Bing Ads, you must tell the platform which clicks resulted into the sale. So, without proper conversion tracking, you are wasting money because Microsoft can't optimize your actual ads. But this setup requires installing the UET, the Universal Event Tracking, and I'm going to be showing you how to do this process. So the UET is an ID from Microsoft Ad. For this, you want to focus and open a new tab. I'm going to go, let's say for example, in here. Let's say that I go for Microsoft Ad account, and we go from ads.microsoft.com. Then it might be asking you to enter and sign in to the Microsoft advertisement by entering an actual email. Hit for continue. So when you have your an actual account here inside the Microsoft Ads, what you want to do is to locate into the top menu, clicked into your tools, where you can check out under conversion tracking, that you can find directly inside conversions, your UET tag. If you haven't created one, click into the option that says create. If you have clicked the tag name to open the code snippet, so you can enter the tag name, copy the entire JavaScript code block provided. This is your base tracking code, and it needs to go every page to your store. So I'm going to go and type the description. This is just an example. You can type here into the industry. Let's see, for example, if we are into health and wellness, and save into next. There we go. Now I needed, of course, to install the tag myself, enable the consentment mode, and here is my Java code. So I needed to copy this specific tag. There we go. So this is your base tracking code. You want to install the base tag into the Shopify. If you go back into Shopify, you want to, of course, look out for the online store, click into themes. You want to find your current theme, which is in this case, click into the three dots that appears into the upper corner that says ritual. So I click in here and I look for edit the code. In the file list on the left, you want to find and click the file named the theme.liquid. Usually the theme.liquid will be appearing, let's say for example, one of the first elements here. Let's say for example, here is the template. I select here the layout. Here is my theme.liquid. So what you want to do now is to scroll down until you see the closing head tag and paste the entire UET code block copied from the Microsoft Ads. You can click, for example, into Ctrl F to find the head element. So as you can see, here's the head. So here I'm going to paste my actual code and the actual script. Then I choose to save this. Then click into save, and the tag is now active into the entire store, but we still needed a purchase event. So this final step tells Microsoft that a purchase actually happened. So if you go once again, I'm going to close this element like this. I'm going to head back to the Shopify administrator tool. I close this. I go and focus into the administrator section settings and click into the option that says checkout. Here into checkout, you want to look out for the option that says account. So here, directly here to the bottom to the order processing section, you need a large text box labeled additional script or some advanced elements. So you can scroll to the bottom to the order processing section. You need a large text box labeled additional scripts. This code runs only into the thank you order status page that appears here, and to thank you or the upgrade guide. So paste the conversion event code here. We must pass Shopify dynamic variables into the Microsoft tag to the track to the revenue and the order ID. So this one is now been upgraded. I'm going to head back to the use of the text. I hit for done, and you're good to go. So right, so here it is. So this code calculates the transaction value and tells Microsoft Ad that a purchase goal has been met. So you can focus you're using the Shopify liquid variables like the checkout, total price, shop currency, and the checkout order to make the data accurate. and when you click into save, this one is not been verified. So to track sales, you gotta get the ID, paste the base code, paste the purchase event code into the checkout settings, and an additional script box. So additionally, of course, you can install the Microsoft UAT Tag Helper browser extension that you can find indirectly into opening a new tab. You can just type the word Microsoft UAT Tag Helper. Usually this one appears as an actual extension, and you can run a test transaction and check the Tag Helper to ensure the UET tag fires correctly into the thank you page. So hopefully guys was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You want to see more great tools like this directly from the Microsoft or the Shopify as well. Thank you guys. See you next time.